Friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. My name is Balaji. Today I am going to show you how to overcome two major problems that beginner level Arduino programmers will always face. The first problem is after the installation of this Arduino IDE, see here this font size is not good enough, like it is very small. So how to set up the font size or how to increase this font size. So many of the guys sees that tools help sketch edit, but they won't get it, so they don't know where it is, how to set up this font size. So today I'm going to show you. So there are two types of methods to overcome this problem, like shortcut method using the keyboard, like you have to press the control and comma simultaneously, or else there is another procedure, like you have to go to files first. After this you have to select the preferences. So here in this preferences you will see that the editor font size. So the editor font size you have to make for your comfortable, how much that is up to you. So I am making it as 32 here. After making this change you can click on OK. So you can see the font size is increased after making this. So many guys, so many boards, when they connected it to the computer or the laptop, here the tools, you have to make sure that the port option is enabled or not. So this port option is very important. Why? Because if this port option is available, then only you are going to upload the software code into that board. Unless you cannot upload this code to the board. So the port option should be enabled when you connected the boards. But for some reasons, this will not show, the port option will not be enabled due to the driver update problem. So I'm going to show you how to update the drivers here. So first of all, you have to go to this PC. So here you have to right click on this PC here. Go to properties. Here you have to select the device manager first. In this device manager you have to select the USB option, like universal serial bus USB controllers. Select this one. There will be options. So here you have to update it by clicking the right click here. Here update driver. Search for the automatically upload and driver software. Here you have to click that, automatically it will be updated up to date. So the best drivers for your device are already installed, so no need to update. So in this way you have to make the changes, then the port option will be enabled. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this font size increasing or how to make the port option available in your software, if you have any doubts, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you guys.